Oh, look at that.
You reckon it's bent?
They've welded that clutch.
Yep.
They've cheated.
Get in, baby.
You bought this car, man.
G'day guys, Matt Brand here, and yes, we're going to pick up the SsangYong Chairman from the mechanics. I don't know what's wrong with it. I've got no idea what's wrong with it. I presume not much, because really it was very clean when I picked it up. Had just 90,000 or so kilometers on it, which is nothing for a car built in 2007. So yes, in today's video, we're gonna go pick up the SsangYong Chairman, see what's wrong with it and what Dom, my mechanic at Lantern Motors, thinks about it. And we're gonna pick up Dad as well, because he's being so annoying. Daddy Brand, he wants to go and see the car. He loves it. So I'm picking him up on the way, and then we're going there. Of course, after all of that, we're gonna go introduce the SsangYong Chairman to my girlfriend, who will absolutely hate it, I'm sure. But that's because she's not a woman. Hello?
Are you in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
All right, love you.
Bye.
First time I've ever said I love you to my dad. But anyway, yes, Monique is not a woman of class. She drives a 2015 Hyundai Veloster, naturally aspirated, so goes to show you how much she cares about cars. She knows nothing. She knows nothing. Do I have shoulder pads? Swear this is not a woman's top. She bought it for me. Again, not a woman of class. So yes, I will continue to drive a 2015 Hyundai Veloster for now, until I pick up my SsangYong Chairman and show it to my daddy and Monique. One of which will love it, one of which will hate it. Now again, I want to stress that I would love to keep doing this in future. YouTube doesn't make me much money. So the only way I can do this is by you liking the video, commenting down below, and sharing the video with friends, and subscribing if you are new, because I would love to keep doing this, buying weird, wacky cars and showing it to you guys. So definitely make sure you do all of the classic YouTuber-y things as I give it some sauce. Oh yeah. All right, through the power of editing, let's go see Dad. All right, I gotta go out and help Dad. 1 second.
Do anything, put the seat back and put the thing back. A little bit.
Oh, God. By the way, I am filming.
What?
I am gonna film this.
I've got to approve what goes up if it includes me. Is that mine?
No, it's not yours. I told you I broke yours by accident.
You need to go straight down, not here.
It's left.
No, it's not. It's not.
I'm sure it is.
No, is it?
Yes.
No, it's not.
You might be right, actually. I'm just gonna do one of these sneaky boys. How's your leg?
Oh, it's hurting a lot. This is very ordinary, this car, isn't it? Really? This is too
You know what? It does its job. It's been a good car.
Yeah, yeah. But would you buy it?
Would I buy it?
Second hand?
No.
Would you recommend?
But there's a turbo version of this, which would be fun.
I think I prefer the SUVs now.
The SUVs.
Yeah.
Is this the first time you've gotten out of the house since I dropped you off home?
No, every morning I get for coffee here now.
You walk here?
No, I'm not walking all the way there, but I am walking.
It's weak.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe. I'll drive that home, not this one.
You better not crash it. If you crash it, I swear to God.
Thank God it's insured for somebody else.
For somebody else, yeah. If you crash it, I will literally
I'm
cry.
thinking of letting you have it. But could I borrow it for a week just in June when I go down to the farm?
So you can put kilometres on my new car.
Yeah. Is that right or not? Just for a week?
For a week, where are you going to the farm?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like, what, 3,000 kilometres on my SsangYong Chairman?
300 kilometres.
Maybe,
from
is the answer.
Devonport.
Maybe. All right, here, Lantern Motors. Let's go say hello to Dom. Is that your car?
No.
Yeah, there you go. What do you reckon it is?
Old Corona.
Old Corona. Better than the new Corona. Dom, I brought Dad. And I'm also...
It's embarrassing, isn't it? I have to put up with this stuff.
Dad, I'm an influencer. What can I say?
You have to live with each other, so.
You know, it's probably a collector's car now, that Corona.
It is, especially the name.
Yeah. Corona, and that was such a common name.
Didn't you have a Corona? Corona?
No, I didn't, but the older ones had the Corollas, exactly that colour, yellow, and the Corona was, oh, that was a, step.
That was a cool one.
That was a step up.
Look at the wheels on it. Look at the wheels on it. Look how small the engine is. It is absolutely tiny. I'll be honest with you, for the first few days after I bought it, I was thinking, oh my God, what have I done? But looking at it now, I'm in love. It's already way bigger than I remember. It is absolutely massive. Oh, I can't get over the dual tone paint, chrome. Man, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. So now we just have to, I guess, find out what's wrong, settle the bill. What am I missing?
Change.
Oh shit, look at that.
You reckon it's bent?
Nah.
Anyway, the one we got yesterday, when we got it, was too short.
Yeah.
So we had to go and get the right, a longer version.
Now,
But it,
let's talk quickly about this light. You need
Yeah.
a new light.
Yeah, I
you
know.
need the
Where you gonna
driver's
get it
side, that's been
I
changed
don't know.
somewhere along the line.
Can we
Where
have
can you get it from, Dom?
have you...
You tell me.
So which light is it?
The driver's side one.
So the driver's side light is just...
And it's a
No,
whole
it
unit.
works.
It's
It's
a
the
whole
wrong-
unit, is it?
It's assembly.
Sealed unit.
Well, that'll probably be the most expensive part of it all, to be honest.
Yeah.
But otherwise, Dom, underneath the car, it was no oil,
No, it's spot on.
spot on.
Except for that. I'd say that's been there for quite a while.
How do you reckon it happened?
Somewhere along the line it sits something. I'd
Okay.
say that's been like that for who knows how long.
That needs a new headlight.
If they'd done this before, they couldn't get a headlight. And,
Yeah.
they sourced an imported one, but imported a left-hand drive. And when they dipped to the other side. That arm was the one under here.
Yeah.
Now if you look at this headlight, it looks new, right? And they're not the original bolts.
Oh yeah, it looks completely different, doesn't it?
Yeah. See
Alright.
that? See
That's faded out.
See this headlight?
Yeah.
You can see it's original. And like I said, that's nothing to do with the roadworthy, but they've welded that clutch.
Yeah.
Remember see how I
Yeah.
showed you?
Why have they done that?
It must not locking up when hot.
Does it
so-
matter?
No, it's just going to give you a lot of engine noise.
Right.
It's roaring all the time.
And if I wanted to change it at some time, can you?
The thing is, you've got to try and source that part
Oh my god.
because they've welded that on there.
Isn't that a Merc part?
Yeah, but what they've done to get that off, right? I don't know how to. They've cheated.
It's not going to be bad for the car to drive it though, right?
No.
Thanks, Dom. And thanks for letting me film.
See you
I know
later.
it's a pain in the ass.
All right.
Bye, Dom. How do you feel?
Like, I'm very pleased for your new car.
Yes.
I'm sure you'll drive it for years, happily. It's very nice. It's very comfortable here, I can tell you that. I think I'll let you have it.
You think you'll let me have it? You don't like it?
I do like it. I think it's fantastic. But, yeah, you know what? I think the air conditioning needs to be done.
No, it blows cold.
That's not cold. That is not cold.
Oh, it stops the button from rolling as well. How interesting is that?
Sorry?
It blows bloody hot though, tell you what.
Now, how does this brake work? The light doesn't come on.
Dad, aircon wasn't on.
Yes, it was.
I just turned on AC.
No. Now listen.
Feel it now.
Okay, now listen here. What about a car park?
You got a foot brake. No, you got a foot brake down there. Don't criticise this car before you know
What's
what it
this
is.
for?
That's so you can release it. You're so quick to criticise.
And it's very wafty, isn't it?
That's exactly what it's supposed to be for. But let me know. What have your thoughts been so far?
The plastic seats.
Well, they're not plastic. They're leather.
I think they're plastic, aren't they?
No, they are very much leather.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100% sure. They're going to sell you plastic seats for a luxury car.
Look, I think this. Look, I think if you want a SsangYong Chairman, this is a great vehicle to get. In terms of, you know,
I'm so comfortable.
in terms of what it is, exceptionally comfortable vehicle.
That's what you want, an old fart like you.
It's an exceptionally comfortable vehicle, but that's what it's designed to be. It's designed just to cruise along, and you know, it very much reminds me, strangely enough, of a Mercedes, an older Mercedes.
That's incredible.
The seats are better than in a Mercedes. My father had a Mercedes, and I always thought the seats were rubbish in them.
This thing is not far off a new iPhone in terms of cost, you know? It's the
It's a
cost,
long way off an iPhone in terms of technology, but
it's the cost of 2 iPhones.
it works, and it's here. It's impressive. I'll say that. Look, I do think it really is impressive.
My God, look at the wheels on that thing. What? Look at the wheels on that.
Oh, that's very spiffed it up a bit.
All right, but I think overall it's a success.
Oh, look, for the money
For the money.
here in Australia right now, absolutely.
Okay, so we're going to go pick up Monique. She doesn't know that I'm in the SsangYong Chairman. She thinks I'm in her Hyundai Veloster. Look, they're both Korean cars, right? So close enough. Oh, my mirrors are folded. Luxury features. All right, off we go. Well, I can't wait. I can wait. I'm already thinking about the 1 million ways I can apologize to her, because that's what's going to have to happen. It's going to be a lot of "I'm so sorry." I'm so sorry I'm like this, and my condolences for dating me. my sincerest condolences. All right, so we are almost here to pick her up. Oh, she's gonna love this. All right, you can see her. Get in, baby. Get in the back left seat. Get in.
This isn't yours.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Get in.
Quiet.
Get in. And we can discuss.
Dad bought you this.
You think Dad would buy me anything? She loves it. No, the back seat. Back left seat.
Why?
Get in the back left seat, goddammit. Because you are going to be driven around in luxury.
It's all like Limo or something.
This is a SsangYong Chairman. Sorry, let me put this seat forward for you.
Why is this yours, Matt? Is this who bought this?
Yes. Okay. No.
No,
Hang on.
it's not. I don't. Stop.
I want you to be comfortable, Monique.
I'm not even joking. This is 100% mine. Cost me $5,200.
Matt.
And I bought it about a week and a bit ago. And it's been so hard not to tell you because I love you so much. And I know that you'd be nothing but supportive of this purchase.
Matt, please tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking. But, okay, well, first of all, let me tell you about the car, okay? Because I know that's all you want to hear right now. This is a SsangYong Chairman. And I've showed you this. There was one that was near your house. Remember how I always pointed out to you? It's like a couple of years ago. I was like, oh, it's a SsangYong Chairman. And I really liked it. Okay, well, there's only 100 of these ever came to Australia, right? And it is like the ultra luxury Korean car, like your Hyundai Veloster. You might be wondering, where is your Hyundai Veloster? That's a great question, and I had to be able to afford this somehow.
Shut up.
No, I just parked it at Dad's. We'll go pick it up later.
Your dad bought this car.
He did not buy this car, but
You're selling it to him.
he will buy this car because he loved it so much. And I thought, you know what? I don't actually need it. So he'll take it down.
You bought this car, Matt.
So I own this car and it runs amazingly well. There's like nothing wrong with it. Nothing. You tell me you're not comfortable back there. You tell me you don't want picnic style. You don't want
Okay, Matt.
picnic style
Matt,
trays.
Matt, listen to me.
I don't think that's. Oh, it's because it's. I can get your food delivered to you on a platter.
This is literally the biggest safety hazard like of my life. Imagine if you get into a crash.
You're literally
My
in
neck-
another postcode.
My neck is going to go into that.
Well,
and my
then-
trachea will be severed.
Ow! Anyway, I'm very proud of my purchase. And you should be very proud of me too. This has the only optional extra. Get off your phone.
I'm messaging someone.
Get off your phone. Look, it works.
Why are you surprised that it works?
I have been filming a lot of it, by the way, and not just this, for like days.
For days?
I had told you I got this a week ago, but I haven't had it for, I took it, as soon as I got it, I took it for a roadworthy. And there wasn't much wrong with it.
How have you been doing this?
It's been very difficult. Thank you very much for asking and for caring about me. I have feelings too. Oh, also, the stereo doesn't work.
Who's your SsangYong?
2 S's.
At the start.
It's exotic spelling. All right, great success. I think the next video that will come out will be the full review, which will be my standard way of filming it. Filming a car review, so it'll look a lot nicer cinematically. But otherwise, yeah, Dad likes it, Monique loves it with a passion. And so, yeah, until the next video, let me know if you want me to, let me know if you want to see me do anything in particular with the car.
Sell it.
Until next time, I'm Matt Brand Cars. You have a wonderful day.